Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And they have said in no uncertain terms that, sir, if you step out of the house, we will detain you. We will be compelled to detain you. And your permission to protest and seek an independent inquiry into the 2500 crore scam done by BJP-led MCDs has been denied. Now I ask the BJP, on one hand you have permitted the councillors of the BJP to protest outside the Chief Minister's house, and on the other hand the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have been denied the permission. BJP-led MCD are the most corrupt department of this country. In fact, it was the BJP themselves that accepted that yes, our councillors are most corrupt and we will deny each of them a ticket in the upcoming elections. Right. They changed them. This time around also they are saying that we will not give tickets to the existing councillors because they are very corrupt. Every election they change tickets. They give an opportunity to every worker of the BJP to become a councillor for 5 years, earn as much money as they want, indulge in corruption, indulge in malpractices, and then they replace them with another set of workers of the BJP.